Hi, today we will explore some fruits that are good for your nervous system. The nervous system is a complex and intricate network of specialized cells called neurons, which transmit signals between different parts of the body. It plays a crucial role in controlling and coordinating various bodily functions, including movement, sensation, thinking, memory, and emotions. Here, we present a list of the top 10 fruits that are particularly beneficial for your nervous system health. Cherries contain antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that may contribute to nerve cell protection and overall nervous system health. They can also aid in reducing inflammation in the body. Loaded with vitamin C and papain, an enzyme with anti-inflammatory properties, papaya can help support a healthy nervous system by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Watermelon is a hydrating fruit that contains citrulline, an amino acid that supports healthy blood flow to the brain and can contribute to improved cognitive function. Dragon fruit is a source of antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber that collectively contribute to supporting nerve health and overall well-being. Acai berries are rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which have been linked to improved cognitive function and protection against nerve cell damage. They also contain healthy fats that support brain health. Raspberries contain compounds like quercetin and gallic acid that have neuroprotective effects. Their high fiber content also supports a healthy gut, which is closely linked to nervous system health. Resveratrol, a compound found in grapes, has been shown to have neuroprotective effects. Grapes are also a source of vitamin K, which supports brain health and nerve cell function. Rich in vitamins A and C, mangoes provide powerful antioxidants that help protect nerve cells from damage. These vitamins also contribute to healthy brain function and nerve communication. Guava is packed with vitamin C, which acts as an antioxidant to combat oxidative stress and support nerve cell integrity. It also provides dietary fiber that aids in a healthy gut-brain connection. Apricots provide a good amount of vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining the health of nerve cells and promoting proper nervous system function. Incorporating these diverse and nutrient-rich fruits into your diet can contribute to a well-rounded approach to maintaining a healthy nervous system. Remember to enjoy a variety of fruits as part of a balanced eating plan to ensure you receive the full spectrum of benefits for your nervous system. Always seek the advice of your physician or other qualified healthcare provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition. That's all for today. Until next time, goodbye and stay safe.